I work for CYS Street Base, so we're a street-based provision and we work around all areas of Cardiff. So basically we engage with young people on the streets of Cardiff and do issue-based workshops. So say for example, drug and alcohol abuse, substance abuse. We also work with healthy relationships and basically wherever we're needed in Cardiff, essentially.
Club celebration, what was really nice to see over the last 10-15 minutes is people making connections with people they haven't seen for a long time, and some people who've never met other people in the service. They started during COVID, they've seen people on screens. We're a people organisation and it's about connectivity. The best work comes from connecting with people and it's what we do.
I work for the digital team in the Cardiff Youth Service. I am a digital youth worker leader in charge, and basically I teach some young people. This is one of my co-workers. We are all from digital team, and we basically give some digital training to young people who want to learn something.
I do everything. I do the social media, I do the Discord, I do the other stuff. Great reviews, everyone loves it. That's me now, I'm on stage.
The first ask of me as a director was from Youth Services, and it was to be interviewed with a couple of children and young people across the city, and I had to do a few games. I think got those on YouTube, and well, I'm not giving up my job anytime soon. There wasn't enough hits for me to become a YouTube famous person or influencer, but nevertheless, it was an absolutely fantastic experience at a time when the children and young people were faced with a difficult time, and it was really good to speak to them, and we had some fun. So my first experience almost being a director was YouTube.
I think is really well needed. Obviously we have meetings on Teams which are really cool, but being face to face makes it more personal and we can engage on a more appropriate basis. So say for example we can go around each store, see what people are doing, and then say if we've got up and coming events we can work together. So yeah, really cool. If anyone wants to get involved, they can go onto our Instagram or our Facebook page. Also, we have our internal email, which is really cool. And functions like this allow people to get more involved and work in partnership with other parts of the organisation.